Alright guys, I think I'm getting better at this already and it's kind of fun. Alright, in this video we're going to install Python and then set up our first we're going to also add our first Python file to our GitHub account, GitHub repository. So let's let's open our browser, type Python. Alright, so Python is an interpreted high-level blah 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 programming language. It's just telling that Python is awesome. That's what I was trying to say. So click on this download Python. Yeah, just to save time. So we have different options. Download Python, Python 3.8, blah blah blah. You just go to this link, Python 3.8, and download. So the file is just 25.2 MB. So you save 20 take time to download. Or I already have Python 3.7, but let me see. I think it's a better idea to install the Python 3.8 since it's the latest version. So we'll just wait for it to finish downloading and then install. Alright, it's done installing. So um we can copy it to our desktop if we want. If you want, it's not necessary. So we have Python 3.8 file here. So right click, run as administrator. That's if you're administrator, obviously. All right. So you, I think let's customize our installations, right? Back Python default, but then let's customize our installation. Click next. If you're admin, you could install for all users if you want, but then personally, I don't like Python being in program files. I usually like it being in my C directory. I don't really know why, or it's something I've just been doing. I think maybe it's thanks to Bucky, because I think that's how he did it. So Python 3.8. No, yeah, that's fine. So let's say install. So this is going to take a little while. I might just pause the video until it's done. Alright, at this point I've successfully installed Python. Seriously, this took like forever. Just click on that, I think. Okay, let's close this. So, what I've done now is that if you go to your local disk, you'll see that we've created a folder called Python 3.8. Now, this is where everything with regards to Python is like the Python core, everything is here. So you can see the content, but it doesn't really matter. That's not what we are concerned about for now. All right. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go to this folder to just confirm that Python is working. We are going to create our first folder. You could press Ctrl Shift N. That's shortcut for creating a new folder. So you could call it week 1. Then open the folder. Okay, now we can create our first Python file. Sorry. So let's call it hello.py. So every Python file ends with .py or some other related extension, but basically .py. So right click and then say open with. Personally, I've installed Sublime on this computer, but you could use Notepad or wherever it is that you have any text editor that you have, but Windows come with Notepad by default. Alright, so we have our first Python file, and then to confirm that everything is fine, say print. Every programming tutorial begins with hello world. But let me say something else. Nah, I don't have anything. I'll have to just go with hello world. Print hello world. I think programming tutorial is not complete if it doesn't start with hello world. So Control S, you save. Alright, so we now have we've now created our first Python program. So you in this folder you press and hold shift and then right click, open with Windows PowerShell or command prompt, or if you have any terminal you could also use it. Alright, so at this point we have Python installed and we want to run our first Python file. So what you do is you just type Python and then the name of the file that you want to run. So you could say hello.py, that's the name of the file, hello.py, and then you click enter. Awesome. So what do we have here? Hello world. Congratulations, you've just successfully instructed the computer to do something for the first time ever. Maybe if this is your first time programming, you just successfully tell the computer to do something, like computer say hello world, and it has done that. So I think that's awesome. Make the video more complete, let's put this to our GitHub account. So assuming you have a lot of other files in this directory and this is the only file you want to only add the hello.py file, then you could just do git add hello.py. Or so yeah, let's do that. So let's say git add hello, sorry, let's say hello.py. So I'm going to, we've now added this to our tree. So then the next step is to say git git commit dash m. So we are committing the file. Basically you are tracking it now. Git commit, so we can say first hello world app. Yeah, it's an app. Alright, so you say one file changed, one insertion, first hello world app. So what do we do to push the file to the GitHub? Basically we push, so git push. Yeah, and that's all. Just trying to upload the file. Awesome, we've successfully uploaded the file hello world.py. So now if you go back to your GitHub, github.com. Wow, I just say GitHub, I don't know why. Oh, actually I have a typo in my spelling, github.com. Oh shit. Alright, go to our repo, PythonWithTahir. Aha, so look what we have here. You see the folder we just created in our system, look at it here, and then our previous file also created readme.md, it's also there. So you could click on that. So awesome, we have hello.py and this is the content, hello.py. So now anyone that, so if this is a public repository now, anyone could actually go and see what you've done. So I think, yeah, and then one more thing. So let's say you have a lot of files. You see we're in the week 1 folder, right? And then let's say you have a lot of files you want to add, and you want to go add hello.py, add this.py, add this. So you could go back to the previous directory and you could just add the entire directory, for example. So you could do something like this. So let's say you're here, week 1, or in the terminal, sorry, in the terminal, yeah, that's in your Windows PowerShell. You could do something like this. You could cd dot that's it means cd dot means go back to the previous directory. So we're in desktop now. but that's not what we want to do really. Um, use right click, open Windows PowerShell. So we're in Python with Tahir folder currently. So in ls, you have week one, you have readme.md. So assuming you want to push the entire week one folder or add the entire week one folder to the repo and then upload it to GitHub instead of just a single file, you could also do that, or you could do something like git add then week one, for example. Sorry, week one. So once you do this now, it will add the week one folder to your tree, and then you could git push. So you could git commit, and then you could git push, and then you'll have this uploaded to your GitHub. At this point, I think we are fine. So thank you for watching. See you in the next part.